Greeting guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, nenomaila Trader, as you already know. So on today's video, I'm actually going to get into the charts, volatility 25 with you guys, and do a market breakdown and see how we can forecast it. So before we get into the video, can you please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell? Alright, okay. So we on a daily. On a daily, I'm just going to show you overall we were in this trend, in this downtrend. Then the minute we broke this level, over here. Remember, this was our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So the minute we broke our lower high, that's when we started to see that we now in a buying market from a daily, right? So on a daily, this I'm just going to highlight my swing lows. This is my swing low. This is how I actually do it, right? Let me just show you and explain it to you. So every time I get a break of structure and a reverse and a rejection, that's actually my swing low. That's how I can mark out my swing lows. Like here we got a break of structure and a pullback, a retracement and a rejection over here. That's my swing low. Over here we broke the structure over here, then we retraced, then we got a rejection on this level. That's my swing low. So we got a break of structure and a retrace. That's my swing low. Let me just look this. So I'm marking out my swing lows on this chart on the daily. Then I'll explain to you the market structure. Overall, we're in a bullish trend. That's our market structure. Then we also had this impulse. This was our impulse, and if you're using Elliott waves, this was our first leg, second, third, fourth, and fifth, right? Then A, B, C. So yeah, so this is our lower low, higher low, higher high, higher low. Because of what, we didn't break this level over here. We never broke this level over here. We never broke this level over here. So yeah guys, even if we use our flip retracement, you see that we on 80%, I think 88%, yeah. So the same leg, let me just use a curve. The same leg we got here, the same impulse we might also get here. So we're targeting this level over here. We see something, targeting this level over here. This level, it's my point of interest, right? Let me see something. I'll explain to you what I'm trying to do. Okay, I'm trying to see the levels whereby the market might reverse on. So this is my window free interest. So I'm going to my 4 hours. So I wanna see the behavior. Let me just delete this. I want the link chart over here. So overall, I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on the daily, right? On the 4 hour, this is my correction over here. This is my correction. Should I start here? Won't make sense. But in overall, this is my correction, right? This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. So overall, we are out of that correction phase. We might impulse at any time. Let me see something. Yeah. Okay. So we had these zones over here. I'm just doing the same thing, but with a rectangular shape on the 4 hour. So here's our other. This is our market trends. Let me just use this, where the market might turn and where you most likely to take your TP. And also this level. Let me just. Okay, at least it worked. So overall, the zone that we are on at the moment, we had I remember we had this. Let me just do this. I wanna see. Here's our 50%. Okay. Okay. And also, let me just use this. We on the 50%. So we might get a reverse here. So what do? We look for other confluences that might help us get into the market. So I'm trying to load my 2 hour. So in most cases, I would wait until I see multiple rejections and a push up, yeah, and engulfing candlestick. In this case, I would look for a bullish engulfing. Like, let me just show you an example. I had these rejections over here. I had my first rejection, second rejection, fourth, third rejection, fourth rejection. Then I got this bullish engulfing. Where's that? What did I see in bullish engulfing? Bearish engulfing, mean to say. I don't know why I saw it. But then most likely I use bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing for entry. And also rejection, and also pin bars and morning stars, like something like this, like this. something like this, to come back to this level over here. I would enter here and then put my SL over it, like I showed you on my other videos. Then tie it in this area over here. Then over here, I don't see any entry. But then because of these rejections, if ever my structure told me that the risk reward is very nice, I would have entered over here. Cause then remember, this is my my resistant over here. So overall, I'd be looking for it if the market was very steep. Let me just use this. If we had something like this, let me just do this. Nah, it's not working. It's not working. Let me just try to add another one. If we had, let's see, yeah, okay. If we had something like this, I'd know that I would know that I'm entering where I'm entering. I'm entering where I'm entering with a bullish engulfing on the rejection to come to which level? To come to this area over here. Overall. So in this case, I didn't have such a beautiful structure, so I don't see. That's why I couldn't trade this market. So at the moment, we know that we in an uptrend, right? We know that we in an uptrend. We know that we inside this uptrend. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We find a low here. Let me just. So here, what I wanna see is multiple rejections. I don't mind the market coming, consolidating, coming into consolidation, right? So I don't mind waiting. Let me go to the 1 hour until I get until I understand what the market is trying to actually show me. So at the moment, it's still consolidating. Let's see something. It might head up from this level. It might head up to this level over here. But then overall, I'd wait for something like this. So I'd wait for something like this. And bear in mind that we had this. I'm targeting this, the same length of this impulse before the structure. So you can see overall we come into this level. But then overall the risk reward is very nice, cousin. Overall we're targeting which level? This level, this levels, this levels, this level over here. So yeah, this is my volatility 25 market forecast. For you might use this for the next 3 days, 5 days. Yeah. So let me also touch. Let me see what else I can touch. Let me try forex. What can we touch on forex? Let me just stick to synthetics. So on synthetics, we also have volatility 10. We try volatility 10. Okay, on that video I was just showing you the market forecast. Let me just show you where I would I don't like this type of a market. The condition, I'm not saying the pair. I don't like the condition it's in at the moment. It already left. If I saw it here, but then it's already on the move, so it's too late for me to analyze. Volatility 75. Okay. Okay, let me just add on the daily. See the overall market structure and condition. It's failing to open the daily. Okay, here's the daily. Overall, it's looking nice on the daily. There's the current. I think it's in a consolidation. Ever since we were in this downtrend, low, we found our low here. This is our lower high. So if ever we break this level over here, we break this high over here, if ever we break it, then we're going upwards. So for now I'd wait on volatility 75. I'd wait and see what the market is trying to tell me, because then we're in this consolidation. It's been consolidating since our lower high level, which was on the 25th of April. Okay, but then we had some opportunities inside, but in currently where it's at, we don't know if it's gonna reverse and find resistant, or if it's gonna break resistant and turn into a bullish market. Because in overall, let me see, I think we broke the bearish trend, because in overall we had this, so it hasn't found direction as yet on the daily of where it wants to trend to. This is our lower high, lower low, right? This was once our lower high over here, this level over here. So we broke above. So ever since we broke above, we haven't really been impulsive. We haven't found a real direction of the market. So it's safer to scalp this condition. So let me go to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, this is what I normally do on the daily or on the weekly if I have access to it. So in this case, I don't have access to the weekly and the monthly, so I have only access to the daily. So overall, we have only this zone to worry about on the 4-hour thing. Then let me go to the 1 hour, 2 hour actually, before the hour. So on the 2 hour, we can even read the market structure and everything in it. We had this high, low, okay. High, low, okay. Let me start by drawing on the previous two lows. So overall we had some rejection over here. If I can mark this area over here, some rejection. So if ever we break above this level, it's now clear. If we break above this level, we're no longer in the consolidation phase on the daily. If our daily closes above, if our daily closes with an engulfing, strong engulfing candle above this level over here, then I don't think we're still in the consolidation phase. And then overall, it's been buying. It's been buying. Okay, I'm using these two trend lines over here. I mean these two lower highs. I mean higher lows. So I can also add this over here. So if ever the market reverses and find support over here, then I'm buying again. I'm buying here to this. But then if it breaks it, then I'm definitely sure it's gonna come to which area? This area over here. It's gonna come here. So at the moment I'm focusing more on, I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you guys and for also myself. I don't like complicating my strategy overall, to see the overall direction. We had this correction, then this impulse. So this impulse probably have to be the same, give us the same impulse over here. So we might be at the end of the consolidation phase at the moment. So yeah guys, for now I don't see any opportunity. Let me just go to the 1 hour. This is my 1 hour. So at the moment I wanna see if it's going to reject on this level over here, or it's going to break above, then retest in the consolidation phase. So at the moment, you might as well just chill and wait and see what the market is actually trying to show you guys. So that's what we have on volatility 2075. So let's go to boom. Let me just do a boom analysis, since it's been long since I did it. Boom and crash. Let me just do my two favorites, boom 500 and crash 500. Okay, let me start on the daily. I prefer scalping this though. I prefer scalping boom and crash. I don't prefer holding them. So it's even safer now. It's even safer. So we might be buying until this level. So if ever you know how I treat, as you can see, this is our 50% level over here. Okay, so we might be heading to this level over here. So let me go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, let me see what I have. So we've been bullish on the 4 hour right after we broke this level over here. We've been bullish ever since the 16th of October of this month. Yeah, I'll also try to be consistent with these videos. I'll try to upload weekly, and I'll have consistent days whereby it's maybe it will be every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll also try that, because I'm not consistent at the moment, I know, and I'm sorry. So yeah, guys, at the moment, let me see something. You might be expecting the market to head there without a reverse, because we already reversed. And we found support on the 50% area of the fib retracement. This area, let me just highlight it. This is where we found our support, right? So we just so at the moment we're buying boom 500. Let me just go also on the 2 hour, or let me just jump to the 15 minutes. Hence we tryna scalp in. So this is what we have on the 15 minutes. So we've been high. This was once our low. This was once our high, low, high, low. Okay, we just came back from finding, testing our lower high. I mean our higher high as a support. So yeah, at the moment, let me see something. Lower high. So we might be coming to this level over here before another pullback or a major correction, or a major correction on the 15 minutes time frame on boom. So let me see, this is my 50% of this. It might be coming here. 1, 2. Let me just do this. Okay, this is what I'm anticipating on boom 15 minutes time frame on boom 500. So let me see, crash, caps 500. We're definitely selling on crash, but let me go to the bigger time frame before. Okay, yeah, we're in a downwards movement. So you see, this is a correction. This over here, see, this has been a correction. also this was our impulse correction. Okay. Let's see what we can do inside our correction. Hence the market is a little bit choppy, so we're going to the 4-hour time frame. So I'm marking out my what should I call them? Actually, my support and resistance in simple terms. Okay. That's what we have on the 4-hour. We go to the 1 hour. This is actually what I do on the bigger time frames, like the weekly and the monthly, the weekly and the daily. So in this case, I don't have the weekly and the monthly and the weekly. So if we were to read this market from this point over here, so we were in an uptrend, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Then we broke that low with just one impulse. We broke this low. The minute we broke this low, we knew we were in a downtrend. And in that here, this being our, remember this is our lower low, lower high. Why did the market give us a what is this ending highs over here? It was actually trying to create a structure. Just creating a structure over here. Sometimes the market will go a certain direction just to create structure. You can see overall this was a wedge, a rising wedge. Remember, the market won't print everything the same, like everything in the same way how the book draws it. So this was a rising wedge over here, this being a 1, actually 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so then how do we take our TP? The length of this impulse, see, so we still in, as long as we never broke, where's from this area over here, where's our lower high? Here's our lower high. So until we break this lower high, that's when I can say, yeah, we now changing trend. So we're still going low on the 1 hour. So we just do this. So we might come here, come to this level. Let me go to the 15-minute. So if ever the market breaks both lines, these two lines over here, diagonal lines, and also break this level over here, this level over here. Actually, let me just highlight everything. If ever it breaks this level over here, it's definitely coming to this level. You get me? If ever it breaks this level, these two trend lines over here, this first trend line and the second one, and also this support level over here, then it's definitely coming to this level over here, right? So yeah guys, that's it for now. That's boom and crash, volatility 25 and volatility 75. What else did I do? Yeah, I think those are 4 pairs that I did on synthetic indices. So we know on volatility 25 how how many pips you are about to move. We know on volatility 25 75 how many moves we are about to move. So on crash and boom, it's only about scalping and sniper entries. So yeah guys, nenomaila M traders, do hit the notification bell, and do not forget to subscribe, and also like the video, and also comment. Yeah guys, and also tell a friend to subscribe and learn about about making money digitally. You know my M traders, you already know. Peace out.